You see more Chinese women entrepreneurs, and in fact, last time I looked at the billionaires, self-made billionaires, Chinese women, I think Chinese women were like the majority of it in the list. That goes to show you that, one, this has to be the right macro environment to give people a chance to exercise that entrepreneurship. And two is that there must be tremendous opportunities for women, because had it been another country where there's no opportunity for women, then you wouldn't be seeing this. So I think that I benefit a lot from being in the right place and being in the right time. You know, I look at my mother's generation. Nobody had any opportunities, right, and in China. And now you talk to students graduating from school, and if they were, you know, they have a job, and then very soon they begin to think, maybe I can start some business doing this, doing that. And that's where I think there's such a drive of entrepreneurship.